Good day, Hammer Down TV. So this is a little bit of an update first. So I found out more information about the motor for my four-wheeler, and it's not good. So I have 100% spun a crank bearing, and I also scored the cylinder walls. Well, anybody that knows anything about Polaris is if you score the cylinder walls, it is expensive to get the nickel plated cylinder walls replaced or nickel plated. So I'm looking into options now. The man that I have working on the four-wheeler for me is doing up a couple quotes for me and see what's going on with that. So unfortunately, Sandy V is going to be out of the videos for probably a little while, but I will be going to events to get some content for everybody with the other boys, Brandon, No Regrets, and Jesse with Frankenstein, Chris on his new blue four-wheeler or high lifter. But in this video, it will be actually me playing with the mud trucks with Brandon, as I have snorkeled the mud truck ready for North Augusta this year. And I also have done other work to it. But first I had snorkeled it, and then we went for a little test ride. And that's what will be in this video, is us playing with the trucks, messing around. I end up burying mine. We used the kinetic rope and put her to good work. But when I got it back home, the tires had blown on the 20s, so I stole the 2 of the 35s from Shorty, because the other 2 are too bald. And then I had another set, but they're different rims. Well, while I was, searching Marketplace like we always do, because we are obsessed with Marketplace, I actually ended up coming across a stupid good deal. So I'm sticking with 35s. They're a little bit wider, but I have found myself a beautiful set of Super Swamper boggers. Well, by beautiful, I mean good price. But this is what they pretty much came with. Like, this one is the second worst one. The worst one was this one, but I have re-grooved it. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, first time grooving a tire for myself too, which makes a huge difference. And then the back ones, I'm gonna do this too. We're lopping this slug here, which is what I'm in stage of for this one. And we're going to widen them up and cut them. Again, I don't have a wide blade, so it's not looking the best, but for a mud truck, I don't care. Plus, we have put a body lift in it, a new bumper system, homemade tube bumper. Just threw it together real quick, just for more clearance and better looks, I guess. Still gotta seal the snorkel up properly. Unfortunately, the motor on this did get a knock to it, so see how long it lasts. But we will be sending it full titty at North Augusta, which is in 2 weeks, so there will be a video coming from that as well. Plus we have a video from the Crazy Browner event that I still have to throw together as well. So there is still content for you, and I will try to get as much as I can with the mud trucks. And hopefully Sandy V won't be too long. You never know, maybe I'll pick up a cheap toy or something to play with, so I can at least go on rides with the boys. But other than that, enjoy this little video, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel. The Hammer Down boys and I appreciate everything, all the support and love that y'all show us. And if you're looking for some comfy ass clothing, Loud and Dirty's got amazing merch, very, very comfy. And use Hammer Down TV 10 for your 10% discount at checkout. Enjoy the video.
low? Try low. What you doing, Jeff? Hey, you blew your bead. You blew your rear bead off. Yeah. It's not spinning. Now you're spinning in your rim. She's spinning in the rim now, boy. Here, I gotta take a look. Take a hoss on her. Go, eh? Forwards.
You want to use the record with this? It's already recorded. Thank you. Oh! This thing's heavy. I need one. Ran with the reverse lights. Oh yeah! Look at the water. Look at the water coming out the door. Look at, there's the cab full. Fucking right, no. I didn't really see any water in there, but I wasn't paying attention. Man, I'm telling you, kinetic energy is the way to go.
Fucking wicked. I need one of those.
Hell yeah, boys.
Okay, now you're in.
Just saying, that was a hell of a hole he just drug me through. I got flat tire too. I mean, I went quite a ways in two, but I've also tore the fuck out of it now too.
Maybe not too real, bud.
Your tires are already full. plugs are wet.